Hi, I'm Kuba, and today's story will be about interactive cheat sheets that hide a little assistant, the LLM genie, who is waiting to answer your questions. So grab your digital lamp and let's rap in the right way to see what coding wishes our LLM genie can fulfill today. Cheat sheets are common companions in the journey through programming. They are incredibly helpful, offering quick references. But what if we could take them a step further? Imagine these cheat sheets not just as static helpers, but as dynamic, interactive guides with the power of large language models. These enhanced cheat sheets don't just provide information. They interact, they understand, and they assist. Let's explore how we can make this leap. In the first step, I have built a Vue Web Application with responsive cheat sheets layout. Next, I have brought Python into the browser using the Pyodide library. Pyodide is a port of C Python to WebAssembly. This means that we can run Python code right in the browser, seamlessly integrating live coding examples and real-time feedback into cheat sheets. The final and perhaps the most exciting step was adding LLM Genie, our digital assistant. Using the MLC LLM library, I have embedded a powerful large language models into the web application. Currently, we can choose and test several models like Red Pajama, LLM 2 or Mistral. First and furthermost, the LLM model is designed to run directly in your browser on your device. This means that once the LLM is downloaded, all its processing and interactions happen locally, thus its performance depends on your device capabilities. If you want, you can check it on my website. Here you can test the interactive cheat sheets and challenge the LLM with your code. That's all for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Bye.